Vini, wake up. It is morning.
5 minutes, Mommy.
No 5 minutes. You will be late for school.
Okay. I am getting up.
Where is my shirt? I cannot find my blue shirt.
It is in the wardrobe. Second shelf.
No, it is not here. I checked already.
Oh my God, what is this? Why are all the clothes on the bed and floor?
I was looking for my blue shirt.
Looking for your shirt does not mean you throw everything out.
I did not throw everything. I was just checking quickly.
This is not checking. This is making a mess.
I am getting late.
And I am not getting late. I also have work.
I just need my shirt.
Did you look carefully?
I looked, but maybe not properly.
Exactly. You don't look carefully.
Okay, fine. Help me find it.
See, here it is. Your blue shirt.
Oh. It was here?
Yes, it was here. You just didn't see it.
Okay, sorry.
Sorry is fine, but look at the room.
Yes, it is messy.
Now put the clothes back properly in the wardrobe.
I will do it later.
Do it now.
Okay, fine. You could have kept my clothes ready.
I am not your assistant. You can do it yourself.
Mommy, Papa, please.
Every day same problem.
Yes, every day same complaint.
Why are you both fighting in the morning?
Vini, eat your breakfast. You are getting late.
Yes, just eat and go to school.
But I feel bad when you fight.
We are not fighting, just talking.
Yes, just a small argument.
This does not feel small. It feels big.
Your bus has arrived. Hurry up.
Bye, Mommy, Papa.
Bye, baby. Have a good day.
I am home. Mommy?
Hello, baby. I am here.
Mommy, are you okay?
Yes, I am fine.
Did you talk to Dad?
Not really.
You are still upset?
A little.
Mommy, I did not like the morning.
I know. I am sorry.
When you both fight, I feel scared.
Scared? Why scared?
Because the house feels different. Not happy.
Oh. I did not think about that.
I like when we talk nicely. When we laugh.
You are right. I will talk nicely with Father when he come back. So don't take more stress now, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
I am back.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Vini. How's school?
It was okay.
Just okay?
Yes. I was thinking about morning.
Dinner is ready.
Okay. We are coming.
Why is everyone so quiet?
Just tired.
Yes, tired.
This is not nice. I don't like this silence. Can I say something?
Yes, say.
Today I learned something in school.
What did you learn?
When people are upset, they should talk.
That is true.
Yes, talking helps.
Then why are you not talking?
Maybe. I was a little rude in the morning.
And maybe I was also angry.
I am sorry.
I am sorry too.
I was stressed about office work.
I was busy with many things at home.
I should not shout.
And I should not argue like that.
So, problem is solved.
Yes, problem is solved. And it is small problem.
But we made it big. You both can sit and relax. I will finish the dishes.
No, Mommy. I want to help you.
You want to help?
Yes. I can wash the plates.
And I will help too.
Oh, both of you will help?
Yes, today we work together.
Yes, teamwork.
Okay, let's do it together.
What should I do first?
Take this plate and wash it slowly.
Like this?
Yes, that's good. Be careful with the glass.
I will dry the dishes.
Good idea.
Give me the clean plates.
Here, Papa. This one is clean.
You are doing very well, Vini.
Thank you, Mom.
Yes, you are helping nicely.
I feel so happy now.
Happy? Why?
Because we are together, and not fighting.
That makes me happy too.
Me too. I like this feeling. You are a kind girl.
And you speak from your heart.
You help us understand each other.
Really?
Yes, really.
We are proud of you.
I just want everyone to be happy.
That is a beautiful thought.
Very beautiful.
Look, the kitchen is almost clean.
Yes. We did it together.
See, work becomes easy when we help each other.
Mommy and Papa. Let's watch my favorite cartoon movie together.
Okay, baby, let's go.
The movie has not started yet.
Let's wait. So, what did we learn today?
Don't fight for small things.
And talk calmly.
And listen to each other.
Yes. Listening is important.
Very important.
Our home feels nice again.
Yes, warm and peaceful.
Full of love.
Less anger, more love.
Yes, the best rule for happy family.
The movie has started. So be quiet.